everybody, I'm Michelle Barber. I'm a nutrition specialist at American Dairy Association Northeast. I'm a registered dietitian and a mommy too, and welcome to our family kitchen. I have two helpers here today with me. Welcome to the video assistant Griffin, and welcome to the video assistant Nolan. Oh, I didn't know Spider-Man was coming today. Come on over, Nolan. Oh, I should say it's Magician Nolan. Pop up on the seat, okay? And today we are going to be making butter at home. And we're going to be doing a little bit of a magic trick. Oh, and welcome to the video, Mr. Dinosaur, right? Can I put that down right here? Can you guys say hello to everybody out there?
Hello. Hi. My real name is Peter Parker, and I am Peter Parker.
Oh, well, nice to meet you, Peter Parker. Okay, so nice to meet you, Peter Parker. So today we are gonna make butter, and it's super easy. All you need is 2 cups of heavy cream, and we put the 2 cups of heavy cream right into the blender for 5 to 7 minutes. And it's gonna go from liquid, so cream, into a whipping cream, into butter, and it's gonna separate. The buttermilk's gonna separate from the butter. So we already did that today. And can we
butter?
Exactly, abracadabra, turn into butter, and that's what we have right here. So you're gonna separate the buttermilk out and put it in a different container like we did here. And then you're gonna take all of this butter and you're gonna put it into ice cold water, just like that. And what you're gonna do when you're putting it in ice cold water is you're gonna take out the remaining buttermilk, because that will make it be able to stay a lot longer, better a lot longer. So we did that, and what you can see is the water, please don't do that, sweetie pie, turning into white with the buttermilk. So what we did is we did this 5 to 7 times, changed out the water to cold water, and kneaded the butter and patted it until all of the buttermilk was out. And that's what we have right here, right?
This is homemade butter.
It is homemade butter. So next step is you're gonna take the butter out of the water and you're gonna pat it dry with just a cloth. So we did that, okay? We're gonna put the butter in the bowl and you're gonna salt it. Do you wanna be the helper, Peter Parker, who salts it?
And Peter for short.
Peter for short, thanks buddy. Okay, so perfect. So that's what we did here. And I'm just gonna use that right there to kind of spoon it through and mix up that salt. Yeah. Mix up the butter with the salt, so we have salted butter. So next step is to form it into sticks. And in our case, what did we do? We used cookie cutters to make fun shapes. So that's exactly what we're going to do next, is use the cookie cutters to make fun shapes. So you can at home, you can either make it into sticks or you can make it into fun shapes. So I just used some parchment paper here.
I'm gonna do it.
I want you to do it. Okay, can you make a heart or a star? Can you make a heart, Peter? Or a star?
Hey, it's red like me.
It's red like you. Good job, Greg.
I want to get my suit wet.
Yeah, that's okay. That's perfect. So what we did already, and then we need another abracadabra from our magician, is we already made some earlier, and we already made them into hearts and stars, and we put it in. I'll get you a napkin, and we put it.
I was saving the world.
And we put it in the refrigerator so it would be nice and cold. So then, what's our favorite snack that we love to have with butter? What's this? Popcorn. So we melted some butter already. We're gonna pour it on there, and we're gonna mix it up. Yeah, you dabbing? Is that what it's called? Pretty good dance moves. Okay, and we're gonna have some milk and popcorn today for our snack. So we hope that you guys enjoyed our little magic trick. Cheers, buddy. And we hope you do it at home. And if you do it at home, we don't put milk on popcorn, do we? Maybe you're onto something. We won't try it next. We won't try it right now, but maybe next recipe we'll try it.
Wait, one more thing.
Okay, what's one more thing?
Put the comments down below if you want to see more Peter Parker videos and cooking videos.
That sounds like fun. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
Bye.
Have a good